Over the past couple of days, our class has been talking about place value and what that means to a number. Let's go ahead and take a second and talk with our shoulder partner about some of the things that you remember about place value. Today, we are going to be focusing on two main place values for numbers. The first one we are going to be focusing on is the ones place value. This will be represented by a small square. The next place value we're going to be focusing on is the tens place value. This is going to be represented by a long, skinny rectangle. One of the long, skinny rectangles for the tens place is equal to 10 of the little tiny squares that we use to represent our ones place value. Now let's practice splitting up the number 62 in its place values. We are going to be using yellow squares for our ones place value and red rectangles for our tens place value. Now this number has a 2 in the ones place, giving us 2 yellow squares, and a 6 in the tens place, giving us 6 red rectangles. Now let's practice using the blocks that are on your desk. We're going to use the number 24. With your blocks, I want you to use your small blocks to represent your ones place value and your long, skinny rectangles to represent your tens place value. I'm going to give you about 30 seconds to practice this by yourself. Go ahead and start wrapping up so we can go over it together as a class. For the number 24, we have a 4 in our ones place, so we should have got 4 small cubes. We have a 2 in our tens place, so that should have given us 2 long, skinny rectangles. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if that's what you got with your blocks. Now for our final review question, we're going to look at the number 67. We are going to do this using the blocks at our table again with our shoulder partner. We are going to talk at a voice level 1. Go ahead and take 30 seconds and look at the number 67 and split it up into its place values. After completing this with your shoulder partner, you should have had 7 small cubes for your ones place and 6 long rectangles for your tens place. After reviewing the two main place values, why don't we take a second and think about any questions that we might have and ask our teacher.